guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have the Merry Everything Christmas gift from Spellbinders. It was a great deal because it was $75 plus you get an additional bit off for being a club member. So and I had a $15 coupon off, so it worked out really well for me to grab this kit because it is heavy and it's a boatload. So I'm going to open it up. All I've done is tear because I couldn't resist. Dive right in here quickly. There probably lots of unboxing videos, so I'm going to go rather quickly. You get 25 of the cards and bases, which I use for all my brands of cards, which is nice. You get lots of dimensional stickers. These are really cute. I make these by hand, but that's really cute. You get the stamp set, which has lots of sentiments, which is what we need in the holidays, right? Journaling cards that you have your ephemera bits here, and all of this is just action-packed. You have the nice little card idea on the back in case you want to get rolling with something there. Normally you get these in the kit, but they give you two. Some tags and string there. So if you want to quickly do up your packaging presents. Oh, here's the dies. This will be cute because I am a Volkswagen bug lover. I had one when I was a teenager, and I was never allowed to drive it very far, and so I worked in the town that we lived in, and I was allowed to drive it there, but that was it. So I kind of gave it up because if you can't drive the car anywhere, what's the point? But I love them. I think they're so cute. So fun papers, obviously very Christmassy, holidays, wintry even, and this kind of thing you can use all year round. So there are a few in there that are like that, and so forth. Red and white candy cane looking trim there. Some really blingy red, silver, and green things there. And then some glitter stickers, I can't talk today, that make just sort of sentiments on your projects really easy. These look like they have sort of a epoxy. Some foam stickers, and then some more flatter stickers. Well, these are puffed up. I don't know. You have those days? Foam on the back of those. Give them dimension, that's what I'm trying to think of. And some more stickers to use. And then all of your other papers. So some vellum sheets in there, stripes and stars. Some glitter paper, red and this like neutral white. Some craft paper-ish, looks like. Some gold mirror card and some silver mirror card, both sides, which is nice. And then you have all your cardstock here, so tons of options for colors there. And then the dies, we'll go ahead and, a lot of Christmas time, the trucks with the trees, you know. I think Spellbinders even has one of those, you know, the trucks carrying the trees. But this has the Volkswagen, so you get the bug, and then the means by which to decorate it. So all the little, you know, bar width. It's cute. And then the solid, so you can do some that are sort of the skeleton of the tree, and then you can layer those to make the solid. Here's your wheel, and then these little bits here, stars and things to decorate your tree with, and then looks like presents. Okay guys, so I have here my first card, and I'm taking some of that paper and cutting it down to, I think it was 3 3/4 by 5 onto an A2 piece of the cardstock that comes in the kit, and just gluing it down as a little layer there, and taking that pre-cut bug from the die cut little bag that you get and popping it up on some foam and sticking it on there at the bottom. Those red glitter letters, I take the joy, and then I take the little stars off of there and just put a couple stars on, and it's as easy as that. Taking one of the card bases, popping it up on some more foam strips. I buy my foam by the roll there on Amazon, and putting it on there, and that's card number 1. Easy peasy.
Okay, next up here is I took a panel of that cardstock and I ran it through a striped embossing folder that I had, although you could just use a scoreboard and make lines like that if you didn't have that kind of embossing folder. My camera slipped a little bit here, that's why a little bit of the bottom is off the screen. That does get fixed later, so hang in for that. I'm putting a piece of the designer paper on to the bottom 2/3 of that paper, that scored cardstock. And excuse me, I just had some coffee and it's stuck in my throat. Some scrapbook paper, I took a little piece off and I'm using that as kind of a way to cover the seam there. And I'm just wrapping it around the back and gluing it down, kind of like I would do with ribbon. And then it's a matter of just layering up these cute little cats. Cute little cat die cuts you get in the kit. Some trees, a couple trees. Some of them I'm gluing straight down, and the others I'm gluing or popping up on foam. And then just sort of assembling those in a way that is pleasing to the eye. They're so cute. I love those cats. Yeah, these cards, the card kits, I make 5 cards in this video, but I could easily make probably at least 20 more. I don't know. It's a lot of product and great deal. And I believe that's still available for purchase. So sticking more of the die cuts down, Merry and Bright is what that says. And then I was using some of those bulbs, like the string of lights, and it was too big to put the whole thing on there, so I was kind of wrestling with where to put that. So I went ahead with the corner there, and then I'm just gonna trim off the excess. Otherwise it would have been too much. And then I'm going to put that on another card base. This time I'm just gluing that straight down. These go easily through the mail. And just trimming off a little hangover there for some reason I have. All right. Card number 3 is a square card. And so I just took some red paper there. I think it's 5 by 5. Could be 5 1/4 by 5 1/4. I took 2 of the designer papers and cut squares out of them also, and then cut them from on the diagonal to make my 2 pieces there. So super easy to do. And I'm just gluing that down just for a little something different. I like square cards. And then more of the die cuts, just making clusters of things that come in the kit. I haven't even stamped yet with this. It comes with the stamp set, but I don't know, when they give you die cuts, it's just too easy to throw them on. And then I switched to these stickers here. I think I put Merry Christmas, and it's 2 different fonts. So going ahead and putting those down for my sentiment. And then you could just pop that on a card base. I do that off camera. This one is super easy. I take one of the journaling cards, so cats again, and then I just squared it off and popped it up on foam, and there you go. It's just done. I don't know. You don't really need anything else. They're just really cute. So a lot of journaling cards in the kit that you could do that method with. And then card number 5, I think we're on. There I got the stamp set out, and I'm going ahead and just kind of making a background with some archival ink. I unfortunately got a little too fast, and some of those stamps didn't stamp all the way properly. So, and then I ended up smearing them like a dork. So I'm going to have to go back and fix this one. But I've been adhering the designer paper down there and trimming off the excess. Vertical border there, kind of 2/3 of the way over. And then taking some of the stars and bulb die cuts and gluing those down. And I think I popped the black and gold one up on foam. Of course, you get that. That's the foam adhesive that you get with the kit. These are super easy cards, guys. Putting this up on a card base. Oh, yeah, that's right. The gems there, getting some red ones out and putting them in. They come in various sizes, like a large, medium, and small, and just putting them in the various places. Perhaps a little gaudy of a card, but it's Christmas. All right, put the foam on the back there. If I had to go back and do that, I might do more of a tone-on-tone with that stamp. And just giving you a replay of all the cards here. 5 cards. You could easily make a ton more. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining me.